That needs mixing more. Stir that, June. Keep mixing. Doing a great job, ladies. Remember, this is for our youth. We need to raise the funds, so make it taste good. It is a fundraiser, and we do need to make as much as we can.
You know, you've made me goof already.
The BC Yukon Ladies Auxiliary are working hard and donating their time to give 1,000 young athletes the opportunity of a lifetime this summer in Langley, raising over $300,000 each year to make this happen.
Okay, Leslie, what are you doing over there?
Nothing. This is a program that it was started way back after the World War II. The ladies across the province work very, very hard every year, and last year I'm pleased to announce that we did raise $1.7 million to help all Legion projects for veteran and mostly for the National Track and Field fundraising.
Anything else?
60% of the kids who participate in the Legion Track and Field go on to the Canadian Olympic teams. So that's pretty amazing.
Good, work those ankles.
My goal this year would be to compete and to qualify again and hopefully medal. I mean, that's my #1 goal, to medal in high jump.
Only the top athletes in BC and Yukon get in, and it's a big honor.
Beginning in April, the Ladies Auxiliary will introduce a new business sponsorship program to support the championships in the township of Langley. No way, I'm Leah Bolton with Joy TV News.